Okay. Oh, God. Tired. Okay. Welcome everyone to 6 o'clock. I'm tired. And just paste links to everywhere. Oops. Is that it? Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna share. Okay. And post in the FOREX room. Okay, so we're gonna wait 30 minutes after open. I'm gonna catch a quick scout. We just wick down there. But I'm gonna wait. Empty. Wow. Wow. That's a lot. Alright, well. I'm looking at Twitter right now. Okay. It's funny. Okay. 6 o'clock. I'm still not in the position yet. So, I'm like going live with Fort Austin. Okay. So, you'll hear me talking about Austin from time to time. I just have to paste links everywhere. Okay, so share my screen. So anyone who wants to talk to me in my mentorship program or mentorship group that I do, like to teach. And then I do FOREX alerts of what I'm actually doing. It takes time though. Affirm. Okay, so this is pretty much day one of the challenge. So actually, I have to use a 0.20 because I'm on 100 leverage. I did do one on Hugo's on my phone for paper. I'm actually gonna wait near open and then see, because then I'm gonna probably use some buy stops. So I'm not sure if I'm short, but we'll do it anyways. So my buy stop, a safe buy stop would be like right there. If we analyze the charts, let's do a new one. So if you guys haven't heard of Funding Talent, this is what they do. It's a FOREX. They provide you an account where you can trade for them. They have a lot of rules, so you can't lose more than a set amount. So I can't lose more than $1,000, but that's not how I trade. So that's nearly impossible for me unless I'm experimenting. So if you experiment, then you shouldn't really do it on your Funding Talent account. Funding Talent, how it works is you just sign up for one of their models. They do have a monthly fee that you pay if you go for a flex. Since I'm going for the challenge model, I can't lose more than like a set amount, as I said before. And then once you do that, you have to wait at least 24 hours, or I got mine within a day. Once you pass, you really need to like focus and trade every time. But like you're probably trying to make the set amount. I did do Bitcoin this weekend, but I didn't do it on the Funding Talent channel. I would have, because then I can do giant lot sizes. I have to do it. I don't have a choice, because I've been so used to Hugo's Way, because the lot sizes are a lot different on Funding Talent, and they make me what is equivalent to Hugo's Way of 0.01 is pretty much 0.10 in Funding Talent, because the leverage is different. Because like they only let me use like cash, and every time you have cash, it's different. So this is all you have, like what makes them better. So you pretty much start with 25 grand. They give you 25 grand, but it's like paper first, and then they give you real money. So these are the plans, and then like the challenge model. So the higher split payouts. So I'm actually going to get 80% profit. There's education that you can do, and then you have to get 2% target or something like that. But I'm looking forward to it, because Forex, you can make a lot of money in Forex as long as you know risk management and what you can do, and you don't really have to do penny stocks anymore, because you're just trading one ticker, or you're trading like the Dow Jones or NASDAQ, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can't really do stocks in Funding Town. So my main focus is never been stocks and Forex. It's too hard for me. Because you have to keep it overnight, and you have to pay swap fees. The reality is that's the case. Okay, so if we want to experiment, right, then we can always go back to our demo Hugo account. Okay, so this is not the demo. You have to make sure which one's the demo and not the demo. So this one right here, this is the demo. You can experiment as much as you want right here, but you can only do so much right here, and then you have to be really careful. Buenos dias. Hi. Alright. I think I have enough water for today. Okay, so it is picking up sound. Meh. Alright, I'm gonna get my phone and we're probably gonna stop out when I have a paper right now. If I can find it. That's my phone. Alright. Okay, so alright. So I'm using a 0.2, so the 0.20, whatever you want to call it. This is so in the case that we do have a sell-off, so I want to catch it. This is a weak support, as we see on the chart. I don't know if I want to catch that yet, because then we sold off overnight. Again, we might see what Austin says, and then we'll go off of that. What he might say, and I will be talking to Austin. You'll hear Austin in the background, and I'll mute myself. But I'm thinking buys right now. Okay, so OSB. ABC pattern. Euro. Oh. Okay, so this might be a really good pattern. Euro Swiss has been on a downtrend for a while. Oh, wow. Okay, so weekly time frame too small to look at, but we can see that we're at weekly support. Oh yeah, I was gonna open up Trading View. That's what I was gonna do. Okay. Alex Holman. Okay, let's do a new US30 chart. No. What the fuck? How do I get rid of this page? Okay. So a little top heavy this morning. Let's check. Okay, we got the swing high and swing low on the early time frame. We might go to the 15 time frame because then. Okay, so this is right. So we have to break under. This is 35.023 on the Dow, and if we put our sniper then we know that was a downtrend at 2 a.m. in the morning. So I'm in specific time, so you guys can count what time. So that is 5 Eastern. So 5 o'clock we broke down. I did try short. I got stopped out because of this wick. If I held, I would have made at least on paper because I was using a one lot because I was experiencing a one lot on paper. From here, you know, like my entry was not that great. My entry was like right here ish, like 35.090 basically. So I was like right here, but then that did work out. It's just that I don't know, maybe I should have made a higher stop loss for this pip or reward, or I should have waited for entry. But usually I'm like, I don't really give a shit, so I will just like get in and then totally sometimes disregard, like, oh yeah, I should wait for London open. Most of the time, because I don't like swing US30 overnight, I rarely will swing unless like Austin will say, I'm gonna swing this over a weekend. So that's what I would be doing most of the time. Okay, so let's see. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Okay, so let's do it. So let's put a TP. So let's get a TP. So let's do 110. Okay. And then I don't know. Maybe like go a little lower. Maybe on this doji right here that I might target. I don't think I have a stop loss yet, because then I will think like maybe US30 wants to spike it open. Oh, hey Reyes.
Morning, Tiffany.
I was thinking like US30 is a long. I tried shorting it last night and then I got fucked, like on paper.
Oh,
I didn't do my
yeah,
funding talent one, but I did it on experimental one lot on like
yeah.
another account like HUGOSWAY'S. I tended to. I mean, I would have held it and then I would have gone short, but I got blindsided by the long at London session. So I missed that whole
Well,
spike up.
yeah. I don't like doing anything overnight. Not in Australia. I ain't playing in the New York session.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I was like experimenting, so I was like, it's
Yeah,
fine. I have a
yeah,
stop loss in place, so I did
yeah,
make some of it back, at least 1.5 on that paper one that I was experimenting. So right now, I don't know. I think US variant might be a buy, but I have a
yeah.
buy stake.
I got into buys when it fired in a 2 minute, but I'm only doing like the run up into opening, because usually the run up to opening it moves up, and when it opens, you don't know which way it's gonna go. So a lot of times I'll close this right before the opening. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm only up like $50. Yeah, I like doing the run ups into the openings. They usually work out pretty good.
I don't know.
I already
I
got burned
might
twice by this
wait.
one. I'm already down like $200 already today.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until Austin gets on or something, and then we'll like say like I'm in the buy right now. I'll
Yeah,
hold it. It's a lot safer.
yeah,
Oh hey PB.
yeah.
Um, should we check like how we're doing on Hive? Because like I'm gonna be holding that for a while. I think it
Oh, what?
won. Oh, we're on a Hive blockchain that penny Bitcoin stock that we're holding to like
Oh,
$4.
yeah,
Yeah. I think I added some, but then I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna be passive investing for a bit.
yeah. And right now, I think the bull market for crypto's like done.
Yeah, for
I think
now.
yeah, I think it runs like August, and then it kind of dies down. Then it picks up again towards the end of the year, the beginning of the year. If I'm correct.
Yeah. So 0.10 for funding talent.
Yeah, like I do. If I do 0.50 in US30, it's like a 0.05 in HUGOSWAY.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I just might play the run
So
up.
funding talent, I play 0.50s on US30s. Is what I
Yeah,
play.
okay.
I do 0.05s.
Okay, so I got enough buy then. So I'm just gonna pay like a quick run up on US30 then.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, so I'm just trying to like go for $15. Let's see.
Yeah. Like $70 right now.
That's cool.
Trying to get some of this money back off.
On the funding talent one or what?
Yeah, I'm on a funding talent right
Oh,
now.
okay. Was it
It's,
like
it's
last
crazy.
time?
I play my regular account with
Uh huh.
Tiffany, and I'm killing it. I play funding talent, and I'm kicking my ass kicked. I don't know why the hell. Yesterday, I made $416 on my funding talent. Playing Ethereum and Bitcoin, but it's crazy. I don't know why, man. But as soon as I go to my regular account,
Like
like
you,
last week, I made
you,
7K in my
yeah. It's
regular
like
account.
there's the difference, like the mindset. When you're on Hugo's, cause like usually
Yeah,
Hugo's, you know like what lot you're buying, and it doesn't seem so
yeah,
big. But like for me,
yeah,
when I go to Funding Town, like everything seems so big now.
yeah, yeah. It is. Because when I play Ethereum, I play like 5.0 lots.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
that's what I was doing. I was playing that much.
Yeah. Because I was doing point one, it was like paying nothing.
No,
I was like,
it wasn't.
okay,
Yeah,
point two, paying nothing. I started doing the math, yeah, point 0.5, 5.0 I'm at. Then that was fine.
yeah.
Oh, man.
I'm
Yeah,
trying to
I'm
save
good.
like if we ever come like spike at open today. So
I'm hoping it flies, man.
I'm hoping it does that too, because then like I can just move my TP.
Yeah, yeah. Even if it hit the all-time high and drops, I don't care. Just I want it to go up.
Me too.
It's been in the downtrend for a little bit.
I'm
I've
down
been
like
watching.
$6 right now, so I'm trying to like save.
Yeah. Oh, this into opening. There we go.
Come on. Move up, you stupid bitch. Oh, come on.
Have you been checking out the YouTube page I sent you? The Luminaries one?
Uh, yeah, I haven't had time to watch it lately.
I mean, they're short, most of the videos. But I like it because they're educational. I mean, you're probably going to be a lot more advanced in what it is, but there's always something to learn.
Yeah.
I mean, it taught me a lot, that's for sure. I don't know. I got to feel this thing's freaking tank off.
don't know. I get that feeling too. I don't know why, but like, 5 minutes is up still.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Because to me, it just looks like it wants to base really hard in this area or like fuck people over. It could be both ways. Okay, I'm down like $12.
It's open 2 minutes. It doesn't really look like it's trying to go up.
So, dudes,
Oh, hey,
What's up, Austin?
Austin.
What are you looking? What are you looking like, Austin?
50-50 today.
Yeah, no.
I'm looking more to the bear side, but we'll see.
That's what I was looking. I was kind of looking at that too.
What the
I'm
fuck
about
is this?
to.
Oh,
I just don't know if it's gonna run up or down when it opens.
Hopefully up. Because I have a buy. Because like this morning I was looking at it, I was like, maybe it's a buy.
maybe.
Is it over another minute? Actually, 30 seconds. I've lost a break even, just in case.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm actually up $100.
Oh, you got the little sub?
Yeah, no, on the buys.
Oh, the buys.
But I gotta finish the drop, man. I don't know.
I got out with $4.
Wait,
so
no.
let's see.
Market opened. Let's go.
Let's see.
Come on. Keep going.
Oh, I got an alert from.
Not so much.
It's a buy. Is it a buy or is it a bought?
I have no idea. I mean, I just got out $4, so I just. Because I didn't feel safe with this setup on the 15-minute.
Below 35,003, I'll get in sales.
Yeah, I closed for $54.
Yeah, I
Your
closed.
buys?
I closed my buys real quick.
Yeah, I closed it.
Yeah, I didn't feel safe.
Yeah, I was up like 120. I should have freaking just closed it. I took the 120.
Okay.
Just stuffy.
So 3503 is where your sell is.
Where I'd get in, yeah, if it breaks the law.
Okay. So I will have it at 3505 then.
Here we go. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
I think I'm having alerts for something.
Not yet. Yeah, that's the mistake.
Okay, I'm glad I got out of my buys real quick.
Yeah, huh?
Just trying to full send? I was buying, huh? Oh no.
Oh,
Let's
it's pulling
wait.
back. Yeah. Gotta let it calm down.
You see my boy Samoa's made some money on following us too.
You did? Yeah.
Yeah,
Look
posted.
at Wick.
He posted on his profit and losses. Amazing.
Look at that Wick. Look at that Wick on a 2-minute, man.
Yeah, that's some crazy
Holy
witch right now.
shit. Hey, look at this. Look at this thing, bro. It's insane.
Still don't know what to do.
Yeah.
It might just shoot up.
Okay, so I might put a buy stop at around 35.95.
169?
No,
Okay.
35 like 0.95 basically. If it hits, if we shoot up, so I have a buy stop ready.
T. Damn, US30. Okay.
Okay, so it looks like we expired green
Look
then.
at that trend on a 15.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Okay, I got
I'm
in.
in buys.
Yeah, I'm in buys right now.
Yeah.
Breaks the zone, I'll get into. Alright, broke the zone. Should I get in? Wait for the. No, the arsenal's not looking too good. Wait, just
Keep
wait.
going.
Oh, good. I'm glad I waited. Chase sucks.
She's so freaking volatile, man.
The volatility world.
Oh, gosh.
The swing US30 so of course it's hitting a stop loss before it goes down. Fucking US30. Stop loss, honey.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Pump it, huh? Oh, no. I'm waiting on it. Here.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You know,
Let's go.
Good.
Yeah, I like that candle in 15 minutes.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, keep pushing.
I'm not in buys, I'm just waiting.
Just for $128. This is a quick scalp for me.
Yeah, me too. I scalped like $6 from it.
Yeah, I'm in for my losses in pre-market, so I'm gonna break even right now.
So far, I've been doing pretty good. I haven't had any major losses. Like, I've been getting minor profit, but I'm happier than like none. Okay, yeah, we're breaking out.
They're breaking out.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm still trying to get used to funding, so it's gonna take me a while.
Yeah, the lot sizes was be killing me.
Yeah, I've been like doing
So
point
it's
10.
really
It's just,
sizes.
I think
I
the
just got
point.
in buys.
Okay.
Small lot.
What's small for you, Austin? 2020?
0.02 today. 0.02 today. We're near all-time high. I'm trying to get wrecked.
Oh yeah, we're gonna watch that shit too.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it with Reyes. I mean, $11, so I'm okay.
Alright, since we're in buys, our TP is gonna be 35. 35.
I answered again.
Our
Damn,
TP is
this
gonna
moving fast. I'm up $100 again. Holy shit.
Oh, she just
Oh,
reversed real quick. Oh shit.
What the hell? Well,
That's a liquid candle.
That was one messed up pullback right there.
yeah, that 35-102, that swing high, swing low in the 4 hour.
Yeah.
It looks like this was rejecting. That resistance. Hopefully it breaks it up. Yeah, that's not good.
Not good at all.
So much lows. I got a wreck in the 15 minute. It's freaking crazy.
30 minute wick is fucking insane. Mm-hmm. And some crazy ass wicks. Milo!
Reyes, are you still in buys right now?
I cut it.
Oh, you cut it?
I took a freaking loss. I was gonna watch it. I'm rushing. I need to step back,
Okay.
take a break.
Austin, are you still in buys or you cut it?
I'm still in it.
Oh, okay.
They're just small lots. So.
I should have played a little smaller.
Yeah, you don't need both.
The fight on the 15 and the 30.
We're just waiting. I'm in though, buzz. It's very small lots. I'll have another one if I have to.
What do you think we're going to, Austin? Another touch the top or past it?
It might drop, to be honest, but for the day, for some reason, short term, it's pumping. But overall, we might drop to 34, 463. Just keep a lookout for that. But if we don't drop and we just keep holding it like it seems right now, we're probably gonna see 35, 300. Easy. 35, 300. Easy, look at that. 307. I'm dead. Alright. Cool.
What's the all-time high for US30?
It's about to be. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
I think US30 is 35.
169.
Like 169 is all time high.
Oh.
Yeah. Might test that again.
Break out.
Yeah.
And TP is gonna be 35, 300. Hey, we're in profit at least.
Oh, I'm not. I bought it near the top. It's my
Me
bad.
too. I'm almost there.
Yeah.
Y'all about the top? Top?
Well, no, like the top of that candle that we kind of
The
wicked
top
down
of the
from.
century.
Yeah. I'm only $6 down. I'm using 0.10 lot, so that's like a 0.1 lot on Hugos. I do. Yeah.
Good. Sold out for negative 17. Damn. All right.
Yeah, still, I didn't know we were gonna do this.
Okay, I got it out for $7. I'm like scalping like small lots right now, so I don't want to be so risky until I get used to it. It's just a different mindset. Okay, NASDAQ just dropped right now.
I put up that wick.
Yeah.
Market is up today, so it's bullish day.
You're starting at 152?
130.
Yeah, good thing we got out, Johnny. Because it's like retracing. Yeah. I was like, yeah, let me get like something and then I'll get out quick.
I was playing big lots, so I was negative 400.
Oh, yeah. I was only negative $55 because I got near like, mine was 35, 127. And I was like, oh shit. And then like, we just like retraced for I was like, nope, I'm going to hold this
I'm
for
gonna
a
change
bit.
my TP at 35, 400 and give it some room.
Okay. Well, on the daily, we are consolidating for US30.
Damn, look at it go. That shit running.
It broke. I hate all time.
Same. I'm gonna close that here. I could
175 is the highest.
literally only close half.
I know that MACD looks good on a 15-minute, bro.
I'm playing with $600 on this account.
Starting small, huh?
Yeah.
I fuck with the vision.
Well, it's because like it's easy to like trade with a big account, but then when you start getting clapped, it's like, all right, maybe it's time to withdraw. Fucking not get clapped. So I did that. Hey, BA came in AI for long, bro. Okay, US30 is bullish. You said BA go long on BA. BA gonna be coming up with hella sweeps. Watch.
Wow, and Tesla came back.
Yeah. Oh shit.
30.
See, this is why I hate playing forex, bro. Because then I forget to look at my options, dude.
Baba
Oh shit,
shit.
Tesla's up. Yo, Tesla's up 36%, bro.
Yeah.
Baba. Oh wow, it is.
Baba's catching up to worry about it.
Dang, Tesla might shoot to that $900 gas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Baba, I'm almost at break even on Baba.
Don't be surprised if Teslas end up in the money. We have a hell of time on those things.
Yeah.
It's good.
Next up is Baba. Let's go. They should be running hard before earnings. They're earning this week.
Hey man, two was on fire yesterday, bro. With Ethereum and Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, I played that. Maybe I should have played out when I funding time, but I was like, no. I mean, I should start Monday.
I play Ethereum on my funding time. Definitely, I always play it.
And that was pretty good because, like, I think like if they stay true to the size that you're used to, right? Do they or no? Because I don't know. Like Funding Town, does it do like Hugo's, right? We do 0.5, 0.05.
Well, on Ethereum, I usually play 5.0 $5 lots.
Yeah.
That's like 0.05 on Ethereum. Like yesterday, I made like $400 something on my funding talent, and then if I would have played, I missed the second one he did. If I would have got to the second Ethereum that Charles got, and I missed it, I would have probably made $1,000 on funding talent yesterday. I just missed that second. I missed that second entry. Oh shit! So got spy puts.
All right. We need something to sacrifice.
Oh, AI alert. BA.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
BA moves. Spy usually goes.
Yeah.
So up $11 on US30. Let's go.
I'm just gonna wait though.
I wanted to reject after 163. Let's see.
Let's go US30.
Jesus.
Oh, look at it.
I think we're gonna fly right now.
This thing is a roaster? It is.
Holy shit.
Firing on the 1 hour.
Yeah. I'm watching it. On the 1 hour.
Did you go to the soccer game last night, Austin?
Nah, thank God I didn't. The game was whack. Bro, even the ref was whack. That fool wouldn't pull a yellow card on nobody. I was like, man, y'all just battling out here in the field today. So fuck it. US30 doing his thing.
Oh, it's still going.
All right, let's go.
I'm still out. I'm gonna wait for the next pullback.
Yeah, me too. I'm waiting here.
I'm just like, because I'm on Funding Town. I don't want to like mess up too hard on my first day. Like I'm up $18. I'm pretty happy with that right now. And I'm gonna keep playing 0.10 lots until I get it, and then I'll start going bigger on 0.50. And I really hate saying 0.50 because I'm not used to it, because I'm so used to saying 0.05s.
I mean, yeah, just stay with the smaller lots, and if the play is
Yeah.
really good, then you step it up. That's what I try to do. I try to stay consistent with it, and then like if I go bigger lot sizes because it's too freaking good. Like I got like the perfect entry to get in.
Oh my god, that sell and buy on Ethereum. I mean, I want heavy, like one lot on HUGOS last night. When Toro called it out. No, it was Bitcoin. I want big on Bitcoin, and that was pretty good.
That's good.
I couldn't resist. It was a bull flag.
There we go, US30. Look at that.
When did GE? Something's up with GE. GE.
I think they're doing a stock split, I believe it is.
That and it's a meme stock for Wall Street bets. It's their
It's
favorite.
crazy. I mean, it's not even that expensive for them to do a stock split.
Isn't it like $8?
It's over 10 last time I checked.
Dude,
Yeah.
he was 30.
Damn.
Man, look at it go. Breaking
He
it
was
down.
30 snorted Viagra today.
Wait, did you stock split?
I think they're doing a stock split, I believe.
A
That's
reverse
what I
split? Because then,
understand.
like,
It's so
that
cheap
doesn't
now.
make sense how. I remember GE was only $10 or something.
Exactly.
Bro, what the heck? It's 106? What the fuck happened?
EE is 106.
That's
Wait,
what we were
really?
saying. It's like, this doesn't make any sense. If you
The
do
past week it said it was down $727 though. What the fuck? Is that what they
GE
did Twitter?
stock.
Unless they're doing a
Split.
reverse stock split or something. I don't know.
They had to because I recently.
Bro, September 2020, the stock was $40.
Oh, okay, yeah. So,
They did split.
yeah, they
For
did
sure.
1-for-8 stock split. This is a reverse split. So people got
Reverse,
fucked.
okay.
Basically, you got fucked if you're holding shares.
Yeah, fucking shares, exactly.
Yeah, you got fucked
Exactly right.
So you
because
sure they didn't make more money on the shares?
They
no,
diluted you.
they diluted it.
But it says 106 each share now. It's like, well, how many you got, brother?
Yeah, now you have 1-for-8 less shares.
Imagine a guy that's uneducated right now screaming, Mom, all my shares of GE are 106 now.
You're
Oh,
like,
wait.
and then
I
yeah,
got 50?
yeah. You're,
I got 50?
it happened to me. Like I think it was oil, and then like they did a reverse split, and then like my shares were like fucked. I had 100 shares. I was fucked. I felt so
And
bad.
she like, and I was left with 10 after that.
I was left with 30 shares. I had 100 shares, and then I had 30 left. I'm like, fuck. What the
Now you
fuck?
gotta sell them for what you paid for with the shares.
You know what's famous for doing reverse stock splits back to back to back to back?
Who?
That company SHIP, SHIP, that the container company.
Yeah.
Yo, they're famous for doing reverse stock splits all the
Oh
time.
my god, yeah. I played them. I mean,
Is that
I
a thing?
hate the shipping
No,
industry.
no. Because you buy 100 shares and then doing 1-for-8, you're losing. You're diluting you. The stock price is gonna go up, but you're gonna own, an eighth of what you had. An amount of shares that you own. It ain't like when you have a stock split and you accumulate more shares.
Why would the other one even exist?
They exist to only dilute shareholder value. That's it.
Yep.
They take
So
your
they-
money. They're a legit scam, basically.
Yep.
I think Dries got delisted for that because they did so many reverse splits. At one point, it was so ridiculous how much they were diluting. I think if you look at the chart for Dries, DRYS or something, the highest stock price was like 100K, which is or something. But it was you're looking at it, it's like, wait, 100K doesn't make any sense. No stock has ever been there unless they're that profitable. But if you look at the amount of reverse splits they've been doing, it's like, oh, you have to make sense. Their stock are pretty much in the like under a penny basically. If their real value is really under a penny, a micro penny, like a micro penny with about 10 zeros in front of it for its real values. Basically, they're bankrupt.
Yeah.
Bankrupt is still running, huh?
Oh yeah, I gotta check.
40% on Tesla.
I am still holding Toro's Lotto for. I'm holding Toro's CGC Lotto for lead. Let's see how they do.
Yeah, I have earnings this week.
Yeah, I'm holding the Lottos.
Yeah. Back here.
Yo, so is it a triple top or what?
No.
I hit the zone.
1, 2.
Hit the zone 3 times.
So you're just chopping it up.
Yeah.
General Electric. It says GE is down 87% on the stock.
You must be confused.
Okay.
I almost bought shares, but I didn't.
It's good. I think you didn't.
Yeah.
I did buy GE shares for a scalp trade last year. I hate them so much. They move so slow. They're like 10 cents. Oh my god. It just annoys the shit out of me.
It drives me nuts.
And they don't even pay a good dividend.
Yeah, I know.
It's like pennies. I think GE just has management issues. I'm just gonna be straight. Like, there's no way. They must have management issues.
Damn, a good Tesla Gold, $30 today.
Sheesh.
Oh, 41%. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the extra contract average down.
Alright, so.
That one dude that was helping on Instagram probably regrets selling his Tesla car.
Yes.
Bro, he had literally the 740s for August 20th. They're up 91% right now. They're 2,100 a pop. And he bought them for 300. Sheesh.
I like that drop in the square, man. To get calls, man. The freaking premiums are so freaking high.
Did I just hear someone buy the dip?
I'm talking about Square.
I messed up this trade today, didn't I?
Yeah, you kind of did. You're fine.
These are the trades. Damn, Austin, you don't taking over Arturo's group chat.
Is
It's packed down here.
it?
It is?
Yeah.
I remember it was just you guys, and sometimes I would jump on too.
There's like
Hey,
22
jump on once in a
people
while.
Yeah.
Say hi.
There's like 22 people in this one.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah, we're growing for sure.
Well, I have no choice since I'm doing Funding Town now.
You know, what's all the fuss down here?
Yeah. Alright.
I definitely like this a lot more than options on that's for sure.
Yeah, FOREX is definitely a lot better than options in my opinion. More money control. Like options, you buy, you wait, you make some money. He's like, do I wait? Do I sell? I don't know. You're like, fuck it, I hold it and drops like fuck.
At least here your TA kind of works out, and options you don't know the next day.
That and your TA is temporary.
Whatever, you know?
Yeah, that and your TA is temporary.
Yeah, at least
The
here.
stupid news could knock you out.
Yeah, here you can take it day by day.
I believe Tesla's having another stock split, aren't they?
No. Probably not.
They're supposed to have like a 5-1.
Let's see. Oh wow, look at SQ. Just went parabolically up today.
Yeah, of course.
It went up again. It was down in pre-market.
Yeah, it was down pre-market, but it just went back up, so.
Yeah, that would have been a
And
nice
the tank
buy.
up $20.
I think we might
Yeah,
break.
wow. Damn, me and Big O pre-market were talking about getting 260 calls. They were like $600.
So Doc
You
U.
hit 260.
Doc U just hit a sell signal today. So yeah, Doc U. You know Jarrett's thing? Jarrett has not been sharing like what he's been doing.
Because he has to pay $2 of course.
He's not with the group anymore.
But he's still an admin for DOA.
That's true.
He might be an admin. He doesn't do shit here.
Dude, like Jarrett like was following me last year and then he made more money than I did.
That's what I'm saying.
Jared killed it last year.
Jarrett just went big because I told him all the cheap shit. Like the market was.
He made most of his money from all you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, he takes a lot of risks though. But it pays off for him though. I gotta give him that. So his TA is good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's just like I don't know.
And I think
I remember Tiffany used to work with that's how they named him.
yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it looks like he's only focusing on certain stocks, like very few stocks.
Oh yeah, because I do sector rotations. Because my thing is sector rotations. I know when sectors run. Or like they just die or something like that.
There's a lot of Apple calls in the Golden Suite.
I mean, I can check on Cheddar Flow right now. I bought Cheddar Flow. I'm gonna be paying for it for. It's hell a lot cheaper when you split with other people. Yeah.
Dude, Apple's, I think it's bear flagging nasty on the.
It's like I think I'm gonna break even today. So
Yeah.
I may want to go. Hold me. Yeah, it's slightly up. It's gonna break even.
Should I get 115 close?
Hold on. Let me check out the flow for it real quick.
For Apple,
Yeah.
115. Did you say?
Yeah.
You said 115. It's $144.
Yeah.
Apple.
Apple.
You just said 115, like $115.
Yeah, 115 call. Apple.
Someone is selling.
$156.
What's why?
Okay, Austin.
I wanted to go up to 170 risk free.
Austin. So.
Going.
He's like, why the fuck would he get such a low number? He's like, he wants to stay in the money.
deep in the money.
So Austin, there is a $12 million sell on Cheddar Flow right now in puts for January 2021 puts. The highest calls for today, I actually don't see any right now.
I think 150. Oh, something shot in our account. Baba, dude. Oh, Baba's taking off.
Yo, Baba has earnings tomorrow.
Oh, it's tomorrow?
Yeah, Baba.
Oh, they better beat, bro. I'm ready.
If they don't fucking beat, I'm gonna go to China and burn down the company myself.
If they don't beat, I'm beat.
Probably.
So Austin, I'm just gonna post it in the option chat.
All right.
So the highest one right now is puts for Apple. But
That's
for
Apple.
yeah, this is just leaps. But if you want short term, let me try to find it for this week.
I mean, we could just collect all the money from the puts.
They could be collecting money from the puts because they're not the bears right now. I was reading an article about it. There's no bear. They got lucky last year.
Yeah, a lot of the bears, they're not really there no more in the market.
Yeah, they're just probably selling this deep in money puts because they know it's.
A lot of them just changed their mind and went long. I read an article too.
Yeah.
Only about 4% of the people in a day in the trading in the stock world is only bearish.
Yeah.
Everybody decided to go long on stocks, but for options and stuff, nobody's really bearish. No one's trading it.
No, they're just trading stocks.
Yep. I was like, well, yeah. I was like, what do they have left to trade them? I'm sure they lost a lot of money with this pumps.
Because we keep pumping and they keep losing.
Yeah. If it drops right here below the zone, I'm cutting. For small loss.
Dude, Ethereum's pumping right now.
Ethereum needs to go back to 400.
If Ethereum goes, then everything just goes after that.
I wonder what it's going to be like when America and all the other countries create their digital dollar. I'm sure they're just going to ban crypto or just let it be like a second-hand currency asset.
Yeah, I think there's too much investment in crypto that they already said that they're treating it as like a security, So
yeah, like an insurance asset kind of.
Yeah, thing. Like gold or
sort
silver.
Of like digital gold, yeah.
Yeah, basically.
People they're like, you should use it as a currency. I was like, it'll fail.
It's gonna fail because like everyone will hate how Bitcoin transfer fees will take so much money away from you.
Yes, and that's why I try to explain to everybody. But they're like, crypto can't fail. I was like, right now it can't. I go, but if we would have put it to the real ultimate test, aka use it for the public, it would fail.
Yeah, because they put a lot of regulations on it.
Yeah, and not only that, it would fail because one, government can't protect it. Two, people money launder the hell. But if they get caught and all the money gets washed away from somebody else, then the government laughs at them, be like, well, you shouldn't have been doing that. Your money's less insured in banks.
I mean, it's. I wouldn't do it as a currency. I would do it as an insurance hedge. I think crypto is my insurance hedge. That's it. I don't think of it as a currency.
Like the guy, Steve will do it. That dude got $2 million of his Bitcoin hacked and taken away from him. He was upset.
I know. I would be too. I would be if $2 million. I would be cashing that out.
Dude, I mean, he probably felt violated.
Yeah, I know. Like, but then, like, if you think about it, I mean, if you have that much money in Bitcoin, right? I would transfer that into hard gold or hard silver because you can't take away that because you physically own it in real life because you would probably like put somewhere.
And they keep printing your gold, silver up.
Yeah, and then like, you know, like this is why I said like if you have $2 million in a bank.
Yeah, I mean, the long term it'll be decent.
I know, but I told someone, it's like, if you have 2 million in Bitcoin, right? Are you going to keep it in Bitcoin? It's like, my thought process is like, no, because there's going to be a chance of I'm going to get hacked because I have 2 million in Bitcoin. And then
And the crazy part is there's people that put that no problem thinking it's going to shoot 200K. It goes down half to like $1 million. They still don't care.
Like nothing.
They got in early.
Nothing.
And like Bitcoin literally was showing negative like 500K like 2 weeks later. And they're like, I'm going long. I'm like, damn, dude, you lost like.
You see, it dropped. It was under 30,000 the other day. It was already back at over 40. 10K, dude. It's crazy.
Remember they told me it was crazy that it wasn't gonna hit that low.
Yeah, sure did.
I was like, told you. They're like, it's gonna go back to 60K. It's like, you guarantee you won't see it back from here. And we did it.
I only have $10 on Bitcoin.
That's like if you own a shitload of VeChain. That's like VeChain.
Oh my god! Next run up, I'm cashing out on VeChain.
I feel like that would be the problem. Yeah, we own a lot of VeChain, and then when it hits like $5 and stuff, we all want to sell. It's not.
Yeah.
Mine could stay pending for a while.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Any buyers?
I think like at most, like when we get to at least like 50
We're
cents.
back in profit on our buys.
I think it's about a dip right here.
Oh,
We should break out right here.
I'm gonna be neutral right now. I'm gonna wait.
I just have a small lot, 0.01 open. I'm gonna let it be.
Oh yeah, that's pretty small. Yeah,
That's as small as you get.
yeah, that's pretty small.
It's smaller than that.
I'm opening another one here. Just open up another one.
You opened up another right now.
Yeah, so I have 0.02 in total open. I restarted this account with a small amount. Where 631 we started with. Random ass number, but we gonna work with it. We're up $25 so far. Let's go. Let's go. If you guys want to stay consistent, for every $25 cut, trust me, for every 4 times you do that, it's $100. That's micro scalping. You trade like Ray is, except with 25. We used to do this a lot back in
Oh
January.
yeah, remember?
On minute
Remember
5.
that shit?
That's when there's only like 4 people in this chat.
You remember? We used to be like, all right, guys, we're gonna cut right here. Like, really? He's like, yep, $30. And we got it again.
Ray is the scalping god.
We had like 16 trades in the day. We missed 4, and then the rest were all
Yeah.
averages, bro.
Ray will be playing every side all day.
Yeah, that shit's crazy.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, just scalping and scalping.
Actually learned
That's
it.
like,
So maybe we might make a new high today. Oh, we
Yeah,
do
I'm
have
trying to think.
some speakers today. I have speakers all week. The Fed is speaking.
oh, shit.
I have to find it, but let me.
We gotta be careful. But yeah.
It was just yesterday.
I don't like when Feds talk, because every time they say something serious, alright, so inflation might fuck us up. And be like, oh, why would you say that? And the fucking US30 drops like 200 points. And then they're like, but we'll take care of that. And it starts going back up. I'm like,
Okay.
oh.
Let me look up the economic calendar today.
Still playing Snap? Yeah.
That's up 43%. Let's go.
Look at Tesla.
Okay, so think Bostic is speaking. I have to remember all the Fed presidents, because then like they will contradict each other. Like, the bald one, I forgot his name, but I call him Lex Luthor because he's bald and he looks like a evil guy or something.
Dude, we're flying with Baba and Tesla. Tesla's
So-
$1 for the dude. The stock.
Yeah, Baba got earnings tomorrow, so.
Bro, watch they're up $100. I'm gonna be so speechless. I have a strong feeling they're gonna get.
So I think the only thing bad is all this negativity news coming out from China, man.
Yeah. Well, I feel like ER don't give a fuck about those kind of news. If they beat, they beat. Like,
Okay, so Austin, we do have Fed president speaking tomorrow. Today we don't have any, but tomorrow we do.
So today we're gonna run up. They're gonna price it in.
Okay, so we have the Fed governor Michelle Bowman, and then we
We're
have.
due for a drop, so most likely them talking. I feel like the market. can
It's
drop
pretty much
early
all
because
week.
of-
All week we have them talking.
Yeah, that's probably why it's so choppy.
We have Vice Chair Richard Clara, and on Wednesday, and then we have Fed Governor Chris J. Waller. I have no idea who these people are, but it looks like they're going to be talking about digital currency on Thursday. They're going to be talking.
That's probably why crypto's going.
Yeah, so yeah, they're gonna be doing these speeches.
Insane. DOA, US30 is trying to break out crazy in the winter. DOA just keeps firing.
Let's go. Come on. That's fine. It's Friday with 15 minutes resistance. Come on.
And supposedly digital dollar for American and every other currency that's being digitalized. It's not going to be the same technology as Bitcoin.
It's not. China's the first one to test it out. That's why we have a vendetta against them right now, because then they're the first one doing it. And we always lag behind China right now in terms of technology. Wait,
They
he's-
want their dollar.
Yeah.
They want their dollar to rule the world. Is what they want.
I mean, if they're
Okay.
first and they're successful, China, we may just adopt China. But that kind of defeats the purpose, because then, if China becomes the new number one, then the number one, we become number two, and then we go into World War One. I mean, World War Three, because we know that we have bases around the world, and then we can just recruit every man under 30 around the world, and then we'll go to war with China. I mean, we're just itching for one big giant war, and then the U.S. government can pride themselves that they actually did something right, which I think it's stupid.
They have crypto breaking news. They're saying
Yeah.
they were running a bill imposing mandatory tax reporting for cryptocurrency. Binance is like one of the ones for like the bigger companies to report capital gains and losses for crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The CEOs from Binance are stepping down.
Tax report, man. Look at Baba. Oh, back to 200.
Hell yeah. We're up. Let's go. Snapchat's bull flag and it should hit 85.70 $8. In the money called the big fat August 20th.
I'm gonna keep my PF Pfizer calls because like we just have at least 40 million in equity blocks that we just came in for Pfizer. We also have some 44 calls coming in for Pfizer at 50 for $2.20 each for a premium of $50,000. And someone just bought $1 million worth of Pfizer calls for 41 strike for January 2021. They're actually expecting the Delta variant to spike. If you look at the calls that I posted on Option Chat, even Toro's like happy about it because then the flow is so strong for PFE. I think we're looking pretty good for our September calls for next year. Actually, I'm just gonna keep the September ones because I have that in my IRA.
Yeah.
Then Charles a Bitcoin then
Yep. Is Baba's earnings at open or? Yeah. He's after hours. Boring ass day, US30. We start flying.
Damn, Spy is like Chop City today.
Spy?
Yeah, you look at the Spy chart, it's just Chop. It hasn't even gone anywhere since this morning.
Yo, Tesla calls are non-stop. Shoot.
So this is kind of weird, but actually for Pfizer, they're hammering 45 and 46 in September, and they're doing like a small lot size, like 30 grand.
Parabolic moves.
They are doing that because the flow does back that up.
Shoot a 2,000 point rally. Let's go.
SPY calls are coming in right now for today. Expiration.
It'd be amazing to see a 2K rally.
440
What
basically.
did y'all do this weekend?
Slept in.
Nothing. Sleep. Ice skating.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Not that bad.
Yeah, I used to go ice skating. I don't know if I could do it now, but
Can't do it anymore. Just hurt.
yeah. The last time I went ice skating was like 8 years ago.
Was
Yeah.
you consistent with it, or were you just like
At one point, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, we used to go every Thursdays.
damn? Was it for like ice hockey or just skating?
They played ice hockey on one side and we just skated on the other side. Yeah, that was pretty fun though.
Cause like the mates was looking at the 2016 Olympics and like, bro, I was like, let's do ice skating. What are you on about, bro? I'm like, let's just do it. All right then. We've just been doing it every like.
What I like about ice skating, you can go pretty fast.
Yeah, bro, you can. But you get a bit like, it's sketchy, yeah, when you first go pretty fast, like, oh,
Yeah.
oh shit.
You just gotta make sure you don't run into anything, because you could really, run into some shit.
But I've seen some kids get fucked out, like, oh.
Yeah. Oh
Did you
man.
ever eat shit when the water when the ice was wet?
Oh, no. I don't eat shit, I always fall behind. But I never fall forward.
Yeah. I remember when I fell
Behind
forward,
and forward, it's the same thing. You're eating
I
shit.
still eat shit.
but when I fell forward,
Sorry, I just had to mute them real quick. So yeah, today was a good day. We didn't really have a clean setup like last night. So we did catch that buy that I said this morning on stream at 6. I was thinking buy right here because it's consolidation. So we were able to get that real quick. If you got in like right here when I put that buy stop, then you've been fine. We did so we're on the 15-minute time frame. We did have a retracement. I was down a certain amount, so I was down like 55, but I was holding to my guts, and I said I'm gonna hold this. So the last scalp we did, we were able to get $7. So right now it's kind of choppy. I don't want to enter it here, and because we had that move that I said this morning. This was the move that opened before. So the move that opened that I was looking for was a buy, and we were able to get that. So one thing I want to get away from, I want you guys to take away from is like, you don't know in the market conditions. Like it's always good to confirm with someone. It's always good to work with other people who have the same ideas as you. On the lower time frame, we are at the 5 minutes. So I'm using HUGOSWAY, but we can also use. So let's do. So we're on PFE. I actually did call PFE calls. I'm still holding all of them. So if you look at US30 on the daily time frame, we have lots of areas of resistance right now. So right here, if we get rid of this real quick. Because I will be ending the stream soon, around 8. That's the time limit I cut off. So if you look on the 5 minute, we see like a buy signal, but if we get rid of my arrows, which I use for just trading FOREX, right? And then we just have a clean chart. We see a consolidation in here. So if you wanted to enter, if you wanted to do an entry, this would be your entry right here for a safer entry. So this is where you want to work your buy stop. this, as I was doing this morning, I was working my buy stop. It didn't hit. I ended up doing market buy, but we were able to catch this pump and then get back on the pullback. Unfortunately, I got in right here. I had 2 scalps right here, but unfortunately, the next time I went back in, I wasn't so lucky. I was down this much, but I held because then I was expecting, like another move up a bit, another retracement. And then, we have a strong rejection in this zone right here. And the reason I say this is a really strong resistance is like we have to go back on the hourly chart. So the hourly chart saying is right here. If we mark our zone, right, this area right here is a strong sell zone. So we mark that and we'll see. Okay, so that was the area that we rejected from on the hourly chart. And then if we look at the 15-minute right here, this on a shorter time frame, I did want to target this area here at 35,145 because this was, when we opened up for London session, this is where we gapped up to. And it does make sense that right here would be a really good, reasonable sell target if you are in a buy. If you are short, then that would be your entry too. But I didn't take a short entry because I'm not sure, and then I really want to play small until we hit a point in the fund talent account that we're comfortable taking 0.2 lots. So when we're $200 up, we're gonna be doing that. Right now we're only up like $18, and we're gonna conditionally work on that. I have 60 days on funding talent. We're gonna try to beat it in a month, but it's been so choppy. We're gonna be looking for setups. Over the weekend, I did play Bitcoin and Ethereum on HUGOSWAY, but I didn't really play it on the funding talent. So next time I see a setup on Ethereum, I'll be calling that one out. I won't be going on live stream to do that. Because I'm only doing live stream weekly. So Monday to Friday, 6 o'clock to 8. And those are the 2 hours I think I might do. What are my promised hours? I have to check real quick. Because I want to go with that. Okay, so 6 to 9. Yeah, so I have until 2 hours, but knowing me, I will probably end it before that because the dead hours kind of start around this time. Yeah, we're just consolidating. And then I only look at the 15-minute time frame when I'm trading US30.
I think we can do a 2,000 pip rally. That's only like $200. $200.
Yeah, 30 points from all-time high.
Yep. We need to go parabolic.
Sure, Devin.
We gotta kill the bears with kindness. Pump it up. We're up $50 so far.
You guys in buys right now or what?
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm in the original one we held from this morning.
Oh, okay.
We added one earlier. And that's also up.
Nice. I'm just gonna wait until afternoon.
Awesome. TP at 35399.
That's the highest, but we're aiming for 300.
Alright.
300.
Yeah.
Going to run.
If not, we'll cut it.
Our options up 10%, bro.
Babas?
Yeah. The August ones.
Oh shit.
Those positive.
Uptime.
Tesla's up 42%.
Tesla's non-stop.
So, lost for about $100. Go up.
Man, even the weekly Baba calls are up crazy.
That dipped to 180 or something. That was a quick dip, and then it got bought up. I was like, buy the dip moment right there. Really?
Like, you bought in at that point?
No, I didn't. I didn't buy in. But that would have been so really good because that was like 2019 levels of like that was like the top for Baba. And I bought Baba one time at 175 and I sold it for $5. Baba is like the only legit company that actually makes shit tons of money.
Cool.
Yeah. You want to do business in China? You gotta work with Baba.
So, what about
They're just getting a lot of spy sweeps right now. XLK calls.
Bro, my MC4 app just like shit itself. I can't even fucking open it.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know if I know.
Let's close it.
Yeah, close it and open it back.
Yeah.
That's what I did. It's still like it's stuck loading and like it's saying.
If you're on Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi.
You did turn off your Wi-Fi. Use your regular internet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes it doesn't work on.
Yeah, I do that too.
What,
Turn off your Wi-Fi and then get out the app and get out there.
Yeah.
what phone are you using?
I'm using an iPhone.
Yeah, same.
There you go. It's Android.
Android.
I'm the only one I know that owns Apple stock and don't own that one Apple product.
You gotta get that iPad.
It's coming. Man. I'm working on it. Trying to find a decent deal.
You know, if you find a good deal, I'll pick one up. Probably.
I mean, Ray, if anything, you should just wait until they drop a new one coming. We're almost there anyways. It's around September.
That's true.
All for the holidays.
That's what I'm saying. You could just wait for like Black Friday. There's gonna be deals before then. You'll see start.
Yeah, through Black Fridays.
Yeah. No, the best deals are before Black Friday.
Yeah, Black Friday you get all the last gen stuff.
The last gen, and it's not even on sale. It was on sale more than what it was 2 weeks before they put it on their own sale. When I worked at Target, bro, I used to be like, yo, wasn't this cheaper like 2 weeks ago? He's like, yeah. It's like, isn't it more? He's like, yeah, but it's 40% off now. I was like, but it was like 60% like 4 weeks ago. They're just trying to push old products for like that looks cheaper, but it's really not. It's like
Maybe when I upgrade my phone, I just go to my phone company and get like or anything. I don't know. We'll see.
that's what I was thinking too about the iPad Pro, the big humongous one. I was like, I might just get it from the phone company. $50 a month,
Yeah.
pay it off, and have service everywhere.
That's what I was
Not
thinking.
bad.
Probably give it you for free. They just want you to pay for the service.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I probably could get it for free. I have pretty good credit with AT&T. I hate when they say free, because then the fees and shit.
Yeah, it's free for now, but not in the next 2 months.
You're like, yeah, man, you gotta pay for that year that was free.
Yeah, but they get you locked into that like 2-year contract to pay for the service.
Yeah.
You know, they never lose.
No.
It don't cost them anything anyway. Pennies.
Literally.
Well, I guess I got in a little bit late when you said you got in that tech one.
Only up to him.
Yep.
No man, I just feel like the freaking market's gonna freaking drop. Like I don't know why. I keep
So she just closed everything?
All everything.
Everything. Sell your car, sell your neighbor's car, sell your girlfriend's car, everything.
Sell your car, sell your house,
Sell your neighbor's house.
sell your Bitcoin.
Sell your
No, not that. No, don't sell that. You can launder money through there.
Hey, he's like, fuck it, I'm gonna hold my Bitcoin. Bitcoin the
Yeah,
next day
there you
down.
go.
Hey, Bitcoin the next day down 90%. Still holding my Bitcoin. He's like, you know, we gonna buy it anyways.
Still got my Bitcoin.
Checks his account. Yep, still holding my Bitcoin. Take it down for the day. Like, of course.
What TP do you have, Austin?
300 like Chief Keef.
I just don't feel it.
No parabolic movie US30. Just chop.
2-minute firing rate.
It's time to go bankrupt.
It's the trend of the day.
No trend.
Damn.
Really not doing anything. I mean, it's 10:30. This is probably dead hours for now. Alright. Okay, so we aren't really doing anything. We're just really consolidating right here. I'm probably gonna end the stream right here. And then we'll just take a break for
Tesla's
now.
still growing, bro. It's up $38 today.
It's good.
So we're gonna call it for a day for now, and then the rest of the day, since I said I would do it from 6 to 9. Sometimes not possible right now. It used to be I could do that last year, but now it's like Yeah, I can only trade the first couple hours, so we're gonna be. I'm gonna make it quick, but we'll continue tomorrow, basically. Rest of the day, if you're in my membership chat, or actually my mentorship or my mentorship, then I'm gonna be calling out stuff or not, and then I'll be announcing my entries if I take a position. I'm gonna do a bit of funding talent and a bit of Hugos, but I am mostly focused on funding talent, so I want to get paid. Anyways, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and then we'll catch up. We'll meet at the same time at 6. I'm going to be doing this for a whole year of live streams, hopefully a year, and then maybe in between when I do a lecture. I have no idea, but it does like we want to have a retracement of going down. I'm not going to be playing that. I don't want to risk that moment. However, you can do that. I do not want to, and I'm trying to be careful. So, thank you for all for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.